Ganon din sa leadership, dapat mayroong unity. Kung anong DNA ng senior pastor, hindi lalatag sa baba. Sundin lang natin, huwag nang magreklamo. Amen. So malaking joy ang matatanggap natin pag tayo ay pinagmumulan ng joy. Nagmumulan ng joy ng iba. Makita lang tayo, masaya na sila.
You gave a heavenly breath and now it's air in our chest. That's why we're singing it back to you. For every battle you've won, for everything that you've done, and everything that you're gonna do. Seen too much to ever doubt it.